from the beginning. Krabi, emerald of the Andaman with beautiful beaches, clear water, magnificent nature. Krabi, a livable city, nice people with roots from a long civilization, rich art, culture, historical stories descended to an art-driven community until present. These various costs create Krabi as uniqueness and reputation at the international level, attracting both Thai and foreign tourists to experience uninterruptedly. These various costs preach to Krabi, a city of art, by taking the initiative and driven from local administrators for over a decade to build careers and income for local people in a sustainable way. In line with the country's drive under the Thailand 4.0 model, which is a creative economy development vision policy of the government. Secure, prosperous, and sustainable, conform to cultural tools for national development of the Ministry of Culture in every dimension, focusing on generating income for the community and creating prosperity for the country from existing resources. Krabi is therefore ready to host and marked as the destination of the International Contemporary Art Exhibition's Thailand Biennale, Krabi 2018, for the first time in Thailand.